Las Vegas is the shrimp cocktail capital of the world. I can confirm that because I'm born and raised here. But I can also confirm they've been doing it wrong all these years. But I'm going to show you how to do it right, so stick around. All right, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing shrimp cocktail the right way. We're going to clean our shrimp, separate the shells from the shrimp, put the shells in a sauce pot, and we're going to fill it to the, cover all those shells with water, get the flame on high, and get that started to a boil. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, and a few stalks of celery that I cut up. And we're going to bring that to a boil. Once that starts to boil, we'll turn it down, let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And what we just made is a shrimp stock. Now we'll take out all the shells and celery using our spider. Then we're going to add our shrimp to the shrimp stock. I've got a bowl of ice water right next door. So as soon as these shrimp are done, as soon as they turn white, immediately you want to get them out of that hot stock and put them into the ice bath so the cooking process stops immediately. Nothing worse than an overcooked shrimp. Nice, they're not tender, they're chewy. This way the process stops immediately. Now, while those shrimp are chilling, we're going to make our sauce. What you're going to need is 1 cup of ketchup. You're going to need some prepared horseradish sauce. You're going to need a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes of Tabasco, and some lemon juice. Mix that up real good. And once that's mixed up, put that in the fridge, let that chill with the shrimp, and a few hours later, it'll be time to plate. If you want to get fancy, fill a little bottle with some cocktail sauce, scribble a little design on the plate, then fill your bowl with cocktail sauce, set that on there, and we'll just layer down our shrimp. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, share the channel, hit the bell to be updated on newest recipes. Come back often, tell your friends and family. And you're going to tell a big difference with these shrimp than just boiled in water. They actually have some flavor. All right, hey, thanks for watching, and come back for more. Thank you.